So, I'm driving a little something I've been keeping kind of a secret from the outside world. I bought a new truck again. So this truck's a 1999 Chevy Silverado. It had a bad engine when I bought it. One of the pistons left the chat. So I got it for a good price. Picked up a junkyard 5.3. I had a BTR Stage 2 cam sitting on the shelf, so decided why not. So yeah, in this video we're going to be swapping the motor, fixing a couple issues along the way, and swapping this motor in my friend's driveway in the middle of December. Probably an average temperature about 30 degrees. So you can say it wasn't fun. So hopefully you guys enjoy the video. So here's the motor. Got the heads pulled off last night. He says it only has 100K, but I don't know. I have a hard time believing that. Let's see if you can see the damage. So I was on my way to go pick it up, and he calls me. He's like, "Dude, I dropped the motor, broke the head." I'm like, "Son of course, go figure." I was like, "Oh, maybe I can use one of the heads off my old motor and, you know, make it work." So we're gonna try to do that. If not, we'll call a junkyard. If that doesn't work, we'll figure it out. But for right now, we're gonna work on tearing this thing the rest of the way apart. I'm gonna go grab my cam. I think we're gonna start getting that put in tonight. Round up some new heads, gasket kit, and whatever else we need to finish putting this thing back together. And hopefully the goal is to get the motor back in the truck before the snow flies. It's cold and I need something four-wheel drive. So yeah.
Did you set that one already?
Huh? Yeah,
Did you turn that on?
No, actually, no.
Yeah.
Sliding.
Oh!
I heard sound.
Looks like we're gonna pull the fucking pan anyway because you dropped the lifter.
Enough?
Mm-hmm.
No?
Okay.
Go cheese.
Now you just twist it like it's your junk.
I don't twist.
I don't either. Sometimes it gives a cool feeling. Oh, that didn't work. Well, time to get sticky. All right, we're about ready to call it a night. How you feeling?
Tired.
Not gonna lie, we've been all about the slop tonight. The new nickname for Triple X Nasty Girl here, because she is roached. We're gonna call her Bethany. Got the, what was that? Truck Norris or Stage 2 truck cam? What is that?
Stage 2.
Stage 2, used BTR cam. Got this here roached out motor. 100,000 miles out of a mom Tahoe. Her name was Bethany for sure, because she's in a huge hurry to get to all them Black Friday deals. She smashed the oil filter. Pan's kind of messed. We're trying to take a page out of Matt Happel's book so that we can try the sloppy mechanics thing, because everything I've ever done has never been sloppy, and it's kind of worked, but everything he's done has been sloppy and it worked. So we're gonna call it a night.
So right now I'm just loading up this truck. We're headed to my buddy Lance's house. It's finally time to pull the motor out of this thing. There's the old Duramax. I've been slowly working on it, so it's pretty close to coming out. Just have to unbolt the exhaust manifolds, AC compressor, think the bell housing, it should come out pretty easy, and then once that's done, we'll finish putting that other 5.3 back together. We got the cam in, valve springs are in, and there's manifold bolts. Sorry, I couldn't think for a second. 2 bolts broken off in one of the heads, so we got to get those out. As soon as those are out, get the motor completely assembled, and then start working on getting it back in this thing, get it tuned, and then try to decide what to do with it from there. I don't know if we're going to keep it and daily drive it, or just get rid of it. I don't know. Let me know what you think we should do with it. Alright, well, it's another day. We got the truck taken to Lance's house, unloaded. We started unbolting a few things, but it's just too freaking cold outside to film or to really do anything. So it's another day. It's warmer, not by much, but a little bit. So the goal for today is to get the motor completely pulled out, have the truck ready, and then as soon as the gasket kit shows up, we'll get the motor fully assembled, and hopefully by next weekend we'll be able to put it back in the truck, take it to get tuned, and we'll be ripping. There's no way it makes 900 horsepower. Only 400. So almost everything's unbolted. We still have to do the AC compressor. And then there's one exhaust manifold bolt. Today I'm thankful for ratcheting end wrenches. That freaking bolt sucks ass. Take it out. You wanna play some cornhole?
With the fucking intake manifold? Or the heads?
Yeah. We got the engine pulled. It's loaded up in the back of the truck. Just taking that home. I think I'm frozen to my core. It's about 30 degrees outside, so that was fun. We'll get this unloaded, and then up next we're gonna finish assembling 5.3. And hopefully next weekend we'll get that in the truck and running and tuned and be done with this project, because I am over it. There you go. looking right at it. Oh, dead ass? Out. Huh?
Brake is coming out. Yes, sir.
And there you have it.
And there you have it. It wasn't even that stuck either. Is it not very hot? The first little twist, I thought for sure I was like, damn, it's broken. And then it just kept twisting out. Yeah, you can see my welds in there. They weren't like, I don't know, all the way out to the edges, but it worked.
So today we're headed to Clearfield, Utah, to Advance HB. We're going to pick up a ECM. We're gonna take that home, get the engine primed, and hopefully fire it. I want to be driving this thing this weekend. It's December 30th today, so I want to be driving it next week. That's the goal. Well, it's freezing cold. Got the engine primed. ECM is in. The ground is on. Cranked it and it has oil pressure, so I'm gonna see if it'll start. Well, it ran. Rough, but it ran. So I'm gonna go over some things real quick and see if we can get it to run right. Decent. Can't even hear the cam. Well, I'm headed home for the night. Truck runs. I'm frozen to my core. I can't feel my toes. But I achieved what I wanted to today. We got the truck running. I'm not gonna drive it yet because I need, I'm driving. I need to button up some of the coolant stuff and the bell housing bolts. Need to put the rest of them in and tighten the ones that are in it down. But I guess we'll save that for another day. So as always, thanks for watching. Hopefully the content will get better. Well, it'll get better. Trust me, it's gonna get better. I have a lot of stuff, a lot of ideas in mind. This is what we're working on right now, so we're gonna film it, post it. So bear with me. Videos will get better. Thanks for watching.